Welcome to biology session. Today we will learn about vascular tissue. What is tissue? Group of cells form tissue. Vascular tissue is one of the plant tissue. Okay, so as we already discussed in the last class, there are four type of plant tissues. Four types: meristematic tissue, dermal tissue, ground tissue, and vascular tissue. When coming to the definition of vascular tissue, this is the tissue which helps in transport of materials. That is known as vascular tissue. Vascular tissue is comprised of xylem and phloem, children. Together it is known as vascular bundle. So the main transport system of plant it is. So through xylem and phloem it is getting food and water so that the plant will supply all the food and water to other parts through this xylem and phloem only. They typically occur together in vascular bundles in all plant organs, transferring roots, stems, and leaves. Xylem is responsible for the transport of water and dissolved ions from the roots upwards through the plant. Isn't it? So we know that roots can absorb water from the soil and send it to other parts of the plant. The leaves and other green parts prepare food and supply it to all the parts of the plant. And we have also done the experiment in your 7th class. Some of the parts of the plant turned into red color when you kept the plant in a red colored water, right? Yes. So in this way, the food conduction and water conduction takes place in xylem and phloem. The tissues involved in transportation are vascular tissues only. They are composed of different types of cells. They are nothing but xylem and phloem. Vascular tissue are also known as conducting tissues, children. Okay. Yes. So these are the xylem cells, children. Okay. So the tissue that appear which conduct water, it is a xylem, and the cells adjacent to that in this figure, when you see, it is a phloem. Together it is known as vascular bundle. Xylem is responsible for the transportation of materials like water and salt from the roots, and phloem helps in the transportation of food material prepared by photosynthesis to the other parts of the plants, children. So hence they are known as conducting tissue. Xylem vascular tissues are known as conducting tissues. So xylem and phloem together form the vascular bundle. Yes, the main function of vascular tissue is giving mechanical support to the plants. So these are the xylem cells, children. It contains tracheids, trachate cells, tubular vessels, fibers, and parenchyma. Phloem contains long sieve cells, sieve tubes, companion cells, fibers, and parenchyma. Fiber is a common thing in both of them. Here it is phloem fiber, and in xylem it is xylem fiber. Okay. Yes, this is about xylem and phloem, children. So these are the structures, internal structure of xylem and phloem. How they look like. Xylem conducts water, phloem conducts food. One more point. Do you know how the vascular tissue carry water to great heights in the plant body? So it is up to nearly 200 feet in eucalyptus plants and up to nearly 330 feet in redwood trees, children. They'll conduct xylem and vascular tissues. Xylem and phloem will conduct food and water. So we have seen in this lesson that plants have different types of tissues which are arranged in specific manner to carry out different functions in the plant body. This is about vascular tissue. Coming to the assignment, write the differences between xylem and phloem. Thank you.